Welcome back to How to Bank Banking Made Easy. Today I am going to show you how to change HDFC Net Banking's secure message and image. Some of our subscribers wanted to know how to change their HDFC Net Banking login secure message and image. So here we go. First of all, you have to go HDFC Net Banking website. After logging, select Account tab, go to Request option, scroll down, modify secure access profile. After clicking Modify secure access profile, you get two options. Select Change image and message. Continue. Here you see your current message. You can change your new message. Scroll down, click modify for change your image, for change your current image. Then you choose which option you want or select all images. Click continue. You will see many images over here. I choose one of this. Click. Here you see your modified image and message. Once you confirm and click continue. Click on confirm to complete the changes. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to How to Bank Banking Made Easy. We will meet next video. Thank you.